Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix unable to remove payment method. There is an active subscription on this account that requires at least one payment on file. For example, if you try to remove a payment method from your Apple ID and after that you see that kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to check whether you have any kind of pending payments from the App Store that required subscription or purchase. And if you have any pending payment, then you have to first of all pay the pending payments from the App Store purchase. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply try to remove the payment method. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply follow these steps. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply click on Apple ID or name, and you have to scroll it down until you have to find media and purchases. So you have to click on that, and after that you have to click on view account, and after that you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface will be available here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on manage payments, and as you click on manage payments, you will be shown all your payment methods. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on manage payments, and after that you will be dragged to this kind of information, and you have to simply click on that red button, and after that you have to simply remove that payment method from your iPhone. And if it is again showing the error which is shown here, so what you have to do, you have to simply pay the pending purchases from the App Store or any kind of the payments. So you have to wait for some time so that that active subscription expires or that payment is not pending in your App Store. So in this way you can simply remove that payment method without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.